Hi, I'm Greg Chambers, HR business partner at Pattonair. So today's been day 5, the final day of the DIY SOS style project. And what a day it's been. We've sort of gone around the last few finishing touches around the building. We've done some last minute slabbing in one of the areas that really needed taking care of. And we've really got the facility to where it needs to be for its final day. So in terms of expectations, I think we've absolutely hit them. We've had a lovely launch party, so we've had the chair come for stepping stones. We've had a number of the senior leadership team from Pattonair come down just to share what's been an absolutely fantastic week. I really can't thank people enough for what they've done for not only us but Derwent Stepping Stone, the support we've had from the local community, again Davelling Construction, Derbyshire Decorators, and also the 100 people that we've had from Pattonair over the week. We could have absolutely filled this twice, but I think what we've done is just been absolutely spot on. So there's going to be lots more videos coming up, and certainly when we cut the ribbon earlier on into one of the new gardens that we've created, seeing the kids' faces when they run through just makes it all worthwhile. There has literally been blood, sweat and tears going to this project, and seeing that today has just made it all worthwhile. So once again, there's going to be lots more on social media coming up in the next few days, so please watch out. But from me and all the team, I just want to say a massive thank you, and I hope the guys at Derwent Stepping Stone absolutely love what we've done. Thank you.